Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I thought I'd share a useful tip if you got one of these wall vents that you used to have back in the day because of fireplaces. Particularly if you got ones without fly screens and you want to replace them, rather than ripping out the whole vent and then having to put in one with fly screen and patching it all and painting it. What I've done is bought these fly screen patches. They come in a packet of 3, about 10 centimeters by 8 centimeters each one, and I just cut them into little squares. As you can see, I've done a few here already. I just cut them into squares that are a little bit bigger than the hole, and then using my nail I just push them in, working my way around each edge. And the other alternative is to make them bigger than the hole, so they sit on the outside, but it depends on the color of your wall. It might not look too good, so I've chosen to go with this option. So when I first recorded this video 3 years ago, I didn't show the final result, so I thought I'd add it in, if anything, to see how well it's fared. So here's the wall vent from a distance. Coming closer so we can have a look at the fly screen itself, and here we go. Coming a bit closer here, and you can see fly screen added to all the holes. They're all intact. There's no visible dust or fluff. The light that's coming through from the other side is from a vent on the external wall. This is a double brick wall, so you can imagine you get some creepy crawlies coming through. So overall, I'm quite pleased with the result. Yeah, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.